Vlogmas number 5. And the concept we're going to talk about today, very quick to the point, but this is going to set you up for success in your career online when you sell anything. And that's knowing who your target audience is. Once you know your niche, once you know exactly what product you have to see who fits this product. Usually your target audience, if it's going to be in the make money online space, is going to be you, the person that you were or the situation you were in that allowed you to want to get into another side income. So depending on your age, I'm 30 for example, so my age range is 25 to 50. That's my age range. And from my previous careers, it's going to be the registered nurse, the factory worker, even a person who's trying to do different side hustles, but they're pressed for time. They have kids. They're not home with their kids. They're present in their life. They're in the same household, or maybe they're not in the same household, but they're so stretched they can't really be there and share those moments with their kids. They don't know where to start. They're always overworked and overwhelmed when they try to piece all the pieces together, and they end up doing nothing, or they try to get to it and another 6 months passes and they're in the same cycle, that hamster wheel. So that's my audience. And I recently actually just pinpointed this, but it's so key when you make your content, because this is the person you're going to be speaking to in your content. You're not speaking to everyone. We think we want to speak to everyone, and that's why we get low quality leads or we get very little engagement. You'll have such a more hot lead, and a hot lead is someone pretty much ready to pull out their debit card and do what it is you want them to do, if you start speaking to them and you start paving out a path for them to go on that's going to get them to their ideal goal or solution. It's very key to know the age range, to know what they're going through, so you can add content that rings their bell and gets them to that path we just mentioned. And this is what you want to master before anything else, before you do your automated system, before it's set up and selling for you. You want to know this, because when you're making content, all you want to be producing is content that's aiming at the person that is your ideal customer. And this is how you speed route and even do more numbers than those that are already in the game. They don't understand this concept. So if you're someone who doesn't have a product to offer, even better, because in the description, or if you don't see a description with a link, comment how in the comment section. I'm going to show you a high demand product that taught me these exact principles and really changed my business forever in how I talk about it. So thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. As a bonus, I'm going to give you my free video course on how to upload a short form video and how to convert it into a lead and into a sale, and potentially make your first sale online this week. And the holidays are near, so you want to be making some extra money.